We're here to show you bacteria on your hands. Pretend that we've got germs on our hands so that we can see them under the light box. So in order to do that, we need you to put a little squirt of this cream on your hands and rub it all over your hands and fingers and thumbs. Have a look under the box. So we'll pass the bottles around to each table. There we are. Rub it all over your fingers and your hands.
Well, I thought it was going to sting me.
Well done. Go and clean all that off, pretend they're germs. That's a good girl, that's it. All on the other side? Right, now you've got to go to the sink and wash it all off. Rub a little bit more on your thumbs. Both sides. Now, what we want you to do is go and wash all this cream off your hands, pretend that all those are germs. You go to the sink,